Today we're going to New York City. We're going for the weekend. We're meeting my parents and my sister over there, and we're gonna have so much fun. We're leaving to the airport right now. We're running on no sleep per usual. Let's go to the airport. We're getting food. My sister doesn't want to sit next to me because she hates me.
Bro,
that's
I
literally
never
what she
said
told
that.
me.
I never
That's
said,
literally what she said.
I never said that. I just don't want to sit next to you.
That means you hate me.
No.
We're gonna go on the ferry today, go to Staten Island, and that's all I know. We're just chilling, having a convo, and then the city's in the background. It's so cool. Guys, I'm so excited to be in New York City. Oh my god. I'm so hyper. And I only got 3 hours of sleep.
Thank you.
Darn, that looks good.
It looks so pretty. I don't think I should have more coffee.
My bottle falls.
Yeah. You didn't even pick it up, buddy.
Why is that green?
Lost it.
Damn it, Jim.
What is it? Oh, you're recording.
I'm so excited to try this.
Oh, I forgot my ring.